I am at Kettleman City charging station. Solar panels, so many charging stations. Another solar panels, another row of solar panels. So many, you can see the whole thing. About mostly about 50 stations, all with solar panel. I am not sure this will 250 kilowatts. 250 kilowatts. They have a cafeteria, not open right now. Nice. Minsarakan heating. Not many, only one more I guess, not many. Basically when we come here it will be some time. It's all full. Hard to believe easily. It used to be real full sometimes. $250. This is the thing. This is where you charge, you just, that's the only connection, to, like anything else, 3 pins. Just the top 2 power and most probably the bottom one is the common, earth or common. Very simple. This is compared to other chargers, this is very simple charger. 500 volts DC, 350 amperes, 100%, 2T cycle. So this is what this charger is. Nice looking. Doesn't look like a machine. Some of the chargers are like that. So currently let me go and show you what is it doing. We are in a trip, so car is not in really very good. So this is what it is doing right now. Even though it is a 250 watts, it is charging at 63 kilowatt, about 70 kilowatts, 315 miles per hour. Why is this? The 250 watts, 250 kilowatts will charge when you are at very low areas. Then it keeps on going down. So from 250 it has gone to 68 at 118. 118 is around 50% of the capacity of this car. So that's what it is. Even though it is 250, it is only for the first. Right now it is 10 minutes. Still left. I might have come 10 minutes ago. So out of 20 minutes, not even first 10 minutes, not even 50%, maybe 25% is, maybe it was doing full, but it keeps on going down. Now it is at 300 miles per hour rate it is charging. So 250 is for the first peak of maybe 5 minutes. So solar panel in action. I can zoom little bit, but these are all dirt, Here, the roads are dirt roads. Lot of, there's nothing here. Everything is a dirt, lot of things like that. So the solar panel is full of the dirt. I can zoom little bit. So this is the solar panel. Just, you don't see anything. These are all each panel lines. That's all. So each panel line. So then there is one there. I can see three of them, and then there are 2 more there. I think that there is one more. 2 more there. No, there is one more, but we don't see. We see only the 3 of them. So this is how I can show when I go down. I can show that how it is. There's a Tesla sign. You don't see it because of the sun at the background. I can see it, but I don't know. Yeah, Tesla sign, and then some Tesla cars. You can see the connections underneath from each panel. The wires are coming and then they are connected together and then coming to this panel. This panel. So this panel takes all the solar and then put down here, by the pipe. So this goes to the mains. So this is already connected, converted into the proper voltage. Maybe this is inverter number 3, connected to most probably 220 volts or 440 volts. So I'm not sure. I see whether any number plate. So this is how it works. All the connections coming to this panel, all this one section of these panels come to this. See here, they are all coming wired and everything comes here, and then here most of them, some of them from the other areas and things like that. So that's how the solar panel system works. But these are all the fixed panels. The panel just doesn't move at all. But generally, in most productions like these, the panel will follow the sun. Panel will follow the sun, and there is a car pulling in now. They are going to charge. There is same more or less same car like mine. Very big facility. About 50 cars can charge at any given time. And weekends it will be, today is a Friday, but weekends mostly full. Even during weekdays like Friday, this will pick up later in the day. It will pick up later in the day. Make it current. I think I made it current now. So it's enough charge to continue the trip. 184 miles.
இது கொஞ்சம் 250 வேற கொஞ்சம் வேகமாக பண்ணுதான்னு